What up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. So as I mentioned in my last video that my Star Wars Celebration swag was gonna arrive the next day. And here we are, it is the next day, and yes, the package have arrived. And yeah, I thought I wanna make a video on opening this up and share you guys my reaction and let me tell you a backstory on how I got it. Okay. Man, I'm kinda like excited. I'm a little bit nervous too, because I don't know how I'm gonna give this out because I've never done this before. Yeah. Okay, so I ordered 200 magnet, not patches. So a lot of people are doing patches. I decided to go ahead with the magnet, and oh my goodness, Australia made. So basically, what happened was I ordered it on Thursday, and I ended up receiving it on Thursday. No, Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. On Wednesday, because it's nearly midnight, so it's gonna be Thursday. But yeah. And let me. Oh, wow, it looks really good. It looks clean. Look at this. It looks shiny. Okay, here we go. Ready? For light and life. Oh wow. Yep. Okay, I like it. Man, this is cool. I mean, so the backstory of this is that I actually have an Instagram page pretty much focused on the High Republic. So I am still obsessed with the High Republic, and we're nearly at the end of the whole, High Republic series. Pretty much in June, I believe it's gonna end, the adult one. And the last young adult novel, Into the Light, just came out today. But the audiobook version, because I prefer to listen to audiobook, it's coming out on the 15th of April. So pretty much, right before I'm about to go to Japan, so I'm going to be listening to it throughout my Japan trip and, inside the plane stuff. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they're going to say in the High Republic panel on the Friday at 2 p.m. But man, and yeah, so I at least have an Instagram page pretty much focused on the High Republic. So if you guys want to check it out, yeah, I will leave the link in my description. So give me a follow. That'll be nice. Yeah, and that's like the main logo, and obviously the main word that they say in the novel. Yeah, for light and life, because I really like it. Because every time they say it, it just kind of gives you that. When the Jedi say it, it feels so hyped up, like they're ready for a big war. And what we're gonna see in June, it's gonna look pretty crazy. I mean, when you take a look at these armors that the clothes that they are wearing, it's gonna be pretty hype. Yeah, and man, I really hope people from Star Wars Celebration will like this. When I give them out, I have actually 200 of it. I might have to learn to control myself. So I might be like, they made what? They're 3 days, 200. I might split it up in threes. Yeah, split it up in threes. So that way I can give like, 75, another 75, and the rest or something. I don't know. I can't figure my math right now, but yeah, and I'm just gonna give it out, and I hope they like it. I really do. So yeah, and it is a magnet. So I couldn't do patch because I look at it. I'm about to go to Japan very soon. I did all this on the last minute. So yeah, and I thought, I can't do patch. I don't know how to do it. I don't know if I should be drawing it, and what if it doesn't turn out as good as I expected. I prefer, if I was gonna do patch, I want to do something that I actually draw it myself and stuff and make it feel more personalized. But yeah, so my mind was blank. I had to do something really quick. So yeah, this was the best I can do. And it is a magnet, so I thought we can never have enough magnet. You know what I mean? They're so useful. I'm pretty sure people will use it. I originally was gonna get a coaster, cause like had to have a drink. I like putting the glass on the coaster, but then I don't know. I just don't know why I didn't went ahead with it. I thought maybe the food might be better. A magnet would be better. But yeah, I love it. Man, I don't know. I don't know what more to say. Where did I get it from? So the company called makebad.com.au, and it was very straightforward. It's just like a template or something. Put in my logo, and then send it, pay the bill, and what? Just like nearly less than a week later, I ended up getting it, and I didn't pay for the priority service, or like you can make it quicker. But in the end, I got it within a week, and yeah, man, I am hyped. I'm excited. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please press the like and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is a swag. I plan on giving them away. At Star Wars Celebration. So if you see me, I might keep some with me for those who post to me, and I definitely want to give them out to you guys too. I'm just excited. Yeah, and I'm actually very shy and nervous about this. I don't know how to do this. I don't know if I'll be going up to people and give it to them, or to wait for people to come to me. I don't know how it feels. I'm really gonna go with the flow, and yeah, this is. And I'm gonna be making a video at Star Wars Celebration to share you guys my experience on how this works and how my experience on this. So yeah, again, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this swag, and yeah, and subscribe for more of my daily videos. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.